we're still going to identify structures that are part of the basal nuclei and the ventricular system. So we have the lentiform nucleus right here, caudate nucleus. You have the anterior limb, posterior limb of internal capsule, insular cortex, the claustrum, external and extreme capsules are not really identifiable for this particular plate. We have the thalamus right here, one on each side of the cerebral hemisphere, and you can see there's a space in between the two thalamic masses. That's the cavity of the third ventricle. We have anterior horn of the lateral ventricles right there, septum pellucidum, and then we have the inferior horns for the lateral ventricles. By the way, this part right here, that's part of the corpus callosum, as well as this one down here. So let's look at the inferior aspect for this particular section. Let's turn it around. So you can see there is a small space right there that is part of the cerebral aqueduct, or the aqueduct of Sylvius. This is already part of the cerebral peduncle. Now we can describe the brain as something similar to a mushroom, with a cap and stalk. So the cerebral peduncles, right and left, will be the stalk for the mushroom cap, which in turn is similar to the right and left cerebral cortex. So let's look at another plate. Much lower level. You can see the midbrain area, cerebral peduncle, and the aqueduct of Sylvius, or cerebral aqueduct right there, plus the substantia nigra, you can see right there. Other structures worth identifying here, that's part of the falx cerebri. We have part of the inferior sagittal sinus, part of the superior sagittal sinus also, near the sinus confluence.